Hey guys, Drew here back in a video. Hey guys, Drew here back in a video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make paper claws, well, origami claws, I guess. So I'm going to be making 10 of them. So I have 10 papers right here. Okay, so let's get started. So first you want to get the paper. You want to fold it. You want to fold it like this. And you want to fold it, you don't want to fold it fully, you want to have a little bit right here. And then get this right here, and fold it, this, and fold it down to this, so it looks like it kind of looks like a house. So that to that. Okay, so now that you have that, you're gonna wanna get these corners and flip them like this. I should do this on the table to do it. So you're gonna wanna fold them like that, so they're little flaps on both sides. So once you have that, you're gonna wanna get this bottom part, like all this bottom part, and fold it up. And fold it up onto the other triangle. So this to this. Okay, so now that you have this, you're just gonna wanna fold this in half. Kind of hard when you do a bunch of folds, but it's not that bad. And then once you have this, you're gonna want to grab it and fold it, not fully, but just halfway. So you're gonna want to go this into that, so it looks like just a little thing. But you're gonna want to go just halfway, not too much. And then you're gonna want to roll this little piece over until all the thing is covered. Like that. Okay. So now that you have that, so you go from here and just keep rolling it and rolling it and rolling it until you have this, but you're not done. So there's a little pocket right here that you're going to want to get this little piece and just put it in there. And you're going to want to flatten it out, and then you're done. So you're going to get this and then kind of want to open this little part up. And you can slide your finger in like that. So I'm gonna make the whole hand, and I'm gonna put it on time lapse.